Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, I will show you how to make a remote control LED light. In this video, I will cover components required, connections and also working of the circuit. The circuit diagram is given at the end, but don't jump there directly. Because without understanding one key point explained in this video, the circuit may look like it's failed even when it's correct. And at the end, I will also give a hint for part 2 which makes this circuit even more interesting. Let's begin.
So the components required are TSOP 1838 receiver IR receiver, 4.7 kilo ohm resistor, 200 kilo ohm resistors, 1 kilo ohm resistor, one LED of any color, 1 microfarad capacitor, one BC557 transistor, one CD4017 IC and a PCB board. Now let's place the components on the PCB board.
Now let's see the circuit connections. Connect IC pin number 4 to pin number 15 and pin number 8 to pin number 13. Here, pin number 8 acts as ground and pin number 16 acts as plus VCC. Connect the ground of IR receiver to pin number 8 and connect the VCC of IR receiver to collector of transistor. Connect the out pin of IR receiver to base of transistor with the help of 4.7 kilo ohms resistor. Connect the collector of transistor to the pin number 16 of IC. Connect the emitter pin of transistor to positive terminal of capacitor and also 100 kilo ohm resistor. Now connect the negative terminal of capacitor and other pin of 100 kilo ohm resistor to the 8 pin, that is ground. Connect the pin number 15 of IC to pin number 8 through a help of a 100 kilo ohm resistor in between. Connect the positive terminal of LED to pin number 2 and negative terminal to a 1 kilo ohm resistor and the other terminal of resistor to pin number 8 of IC. Now take a wire from VCC of IR receiver as positive input and take another wire from pin number 8 of IC as a negative input power supply. The connections are done. Ignore the neatness. Now let's understand how this remote controlled LED light works. First, we need a remote. Any remote which has this LED. Actually, this is a IR transmitter to send information or signal. When we press any button in the remote, some signals are produced by the transmitter. The signals vary according to the buttons pressed. These signals are in the form of light. The IR receiver in the circuit receives the IR signals transmitted by the IR transmitter. It converts this IR signal into electrical signal and gives to IC. The signal at the IR receiver is a weak signal, but the IC cannot work with this weak signal, so a transistor is used in between. This transistor boosts the weak signal into strong signal so that the IC can work on it. The IC reads the signal and it decodes which button was pressed and which function to be performed. Like here, if I press the button once it gives instructions to the LED to turn on. It supplies the power to LED. And when I press the button again, the IC gives instructions to LED to turn off, that is not providing the supply. Here what we have to understand is the IC does not give supply to LED. It only gives instructions what to do. Here, the resistor protects the components IC from getting overload or damaged due to high voltage and current. Here, the capacitor helps to remove noise in the signals. It smoothens DC voltage. It helps to delay or fasten the response. Here, the capacitor stabilizes the entire circuit. In simple, we can say the remote sends the information, the receiver detects and converts into electrical signal, the transistor boosts the signals, the IC receives and decodes the signal and makes the LED glow. Now let's check the circuit. I am providing 5 volts power supply through the help of a adapter, 5 volts adapter. You can also use 5 volts battery. Now let's check. This is a remote, any remote of TV, fan, any remote. Now let's check. Here you will be in a blank that when you press the button, the circuit won't work for first 4 to 5 times when you press. You will be shocked. But don't get confused because when you press 4 to 5 times, the circuit starts working. The first 4 to 5 times, the IC keeps resetting the inputs. So in live you can see. In the next video, with the help of this circuit and few more electronic components, we will be making a remote controlled AC tube light. So like, share and subscribe our channel for more further interesting and exciting projects.